Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use high performance on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just go to your start, right click on it, and then go to run. Then just type power cfg.cpl and click on OK. After that, this window should pop up. Just click on show additional plans and then just choose high performance. And that's pretty much it. But what if you don't have high performance mode here? What to do then? Then just go to balance again. Then click on change plan settings. Then go to change advanced power settings. Then scroll down a bit. And from processor power management, just extend this and open up minimum power state. And then just make sure all the percentages under minimum processor state is set to 0 to 5%. And all the percentages under maximum power state is set to 100%. Then click on OK. And then just restart your PC, and then your PC will be set to high performance mode. And that is how to use high performance on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.